Good afternoon, Americans. This is your favorite alien and Bubba here on the afternoon of Thursday, April 2nd, 2020. Well, doing a special video today on COVID 19, and I'm going to call it Three Questions You Should Ask on COVID 19. Well, you notice that the CDC and the federal government have to backtrack on the uh, coronavirus. And now they're saying, oh, well, it could be, just by speaking, breathing. So what they're telling you is it's in the atmosphere. Yeah. And what did I tell you when all this started? China has the answers because in November 2019, they launched a satellite full of this virus. And it was supposed to go to the ionosphere, but it malfunctioned and blew up in the stratosphere. Which the question that you should ask, number one, how much of the virus was released to the atmosphere? China knows how much was in that satellite. Number two, the United States and a lot of Western countries have the technology to test the atmosphere for how much virus is still left in the atmosphere. But have they come to the public? No. And look at the top three countries. You got almost 50,000 dead planet-wide right now, as of 10 a.m. this morning. Local total things released. And you got Italy with 10,300 and something. Spain has 10,000, and the United States has 5,000. So that's 50% of the 50,000 dead is in those three countries. And why is that? China should have an additional 10 to 20,000 dead, but it's not reporting that, is it? Also, how much of the atmospheres of the other countries contain the coronavirus? How much is still left in China? Or Korea, North and South Korea? North Korea is reporting zero. I doubt that. Hong Kong is experiencing a second surge over there. Why isn't China? They are too, they're just not reporting it. That's a question there. If the United States ever takes a look at the atmosphere and says, okay, how much of that virus is still left in it? What's the dispersal rate? What's the fuel that's fueling this? NO2 probably, that's fueling the virus. It needs something to eat. And you notice it's still in the atmosphere after November. Wow, that's a long-lived virus, isn't it? Well, like I told you before, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, has a lifespan of 114 years. Okay? Now you see that my way is coming. They're starting to think my way here. They're not telling you that, but look at their statements. Every day for the last 3 months have changed to, oh, well, we can quarantine people, but they have to come out to breathe the atmosphere sooner or later. You can't avoid the atmosphere. And sooner or later, the atmosphere is going to be contaminated wherever you are. Look at France. They haven't reported their numbers yet for today, but I bet you that's going to be a killer for them. Italy, that's going to be a killer too. They haven't reported their numbers either. And Spain, it's a killer for them. They're already up to 10,000 and matched Italy on 110,000 cases. They may surpass Italy. Italy may still have more cases to come in, but the United States, they're at 200 and some thousand. They may hit 400,000 or 800,000 by the time this time next week. And 25,000 deaths. maybe 100,000 deaths. Spain, like I said, is going to have 1% of theirs dead. So they're going to hit 470,000. That's 1%. By the time this is all said and done, Spain will hit 2.2 million, which is, almost 10%, 8% of their population. France will hit 20%. Italy will hit 8%. Those are just estimates. Spain could probably hit more than 10%, 4 million. That would be ouch. Because look at that, they're already at 10,000. And theirs has, in the last week, they have really, death has gone up. And look at your kill rate. You got, 950,000 infected reporting per the report there. You got 600 and some thousand still infected. 36,000 of them are still considered serious to critical. So that means that plus the 40,000, you're going to have a whole bunch. So you see, Americans, this is your favorite alien and Bubba saying, think of those questions. Good day.